Hey guys, today I just come to show you. It's just a quick video. Okay. It's just I'm showing you a quick cordless screwdriver set, and you also maybe you also need to buy it, I think, because it's just a pretty one, very simple screwdriver, and you also can believe that the price is only $10. Only $10. It hurts to open. I don't know how can I open this one. It is hard something to open like this. I'm trying to opening. Okay. I'm just opening to show you guys, like you also maybe find something a good deal, because it's only just $10, and hopefully it will work. Yeah, it is working. The brand is good, Hyper Tough. It is good, and I also got something. You can see a charger, or there's two screwdriver to open this one, and I can put it over here, and there is a button. You can see, right, like one button is for open and one button is for close. This one is maybe for closing the screw, and this one is for opening the screw. And this is just a $10, and you can see forward and reverse setting, includes USB cable, speed 200 RPM, 4 volt cordless screwdriver. Thank you guys.